Florida is known for beaches, sunshine, and some seriously strange business laws. I'm talking about rules so odd, you'd think they came from a sitcom. Hi, I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified international business law expert based right here in Miami, Florida. I've helped Fortune 100 companies, foreign governments, and entrepreneurs navigate Florida's legal system, and let me tell you, this state has some laws that will leave you scratching your head. So today I'm breaking down 7 of the weirdest business laws in Florida, and yes, they're very real. Let's start with citrus. In Florida, it's actually illegal to dye or color oranges to make them look more ripe. Yep, that bright orange glow better be natural or the Department of Agriculture can come knocking. Even a little tint to make your fruit pop could land you in legal trouble. So if you're in the fruit business, don't get creative with your oranges. Now let's talk about dancing. Some cities in Florida still require a dance hall license if people start dancing in your restaurant or bar. I'm not kidding. If your patrons bust a spontaneous move and you don't have the right permit, you could face fines or even worse. Basically, it's Footloose, but with mojitos. Thinking about opening a palm reading business? In Florida, that's regulated too. Some counties require a specific metaphysical license just to read tarot cards. And in other areas, fortune telling is banned completely unless you clearly labeled it as entertainment only. So if your business predicts the future, make sure you've already got a zoning permit. Next, this one is sneaky. If your business name sounds even a little like someone else's, you could be sued. Under Florida's unfair competition laws, even a clever twist on a famous name like Facebook or Amazon with a Z can get you in serious legal trouble. So before you brand it, research it. Here's one that hits close to home for anyone who wears a suit. In Florida, many dry cleaners limit liability to $10 or less per garment. Lose your $800 custom jacket? They might owe you just $10 unless you have it in writing. Dry cleaning, dry payout. This next one is a Coral Gables classic. Want to use a bright neon sign to attract customers? Think again. In Coral Gables and in some other Florida cities, strict signage laws ban neon backlit signs and even sandwich boards. So you might need city approval just to advertise your lunch special. And finally, yes, this one is real. If you want to give away bottled water with your company logo, Florida law requires a bottled water license from the Department of Agriculture, even if it's free. Otherwise, it's considered illegal distribution of bottled water. Who knew hydration could be such a legal hazard? So what's the takeaway? In Florida, running a business isn't just about the hustle. It's about knowing the rules that could cost you. If you found this surprising or helpful, hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who owns a business. And if you're running into legal gray areas, reach out to my firm. We'll help you stay compliant and keep your business out of the headlines. Thanks for watching.